Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can download trading signals and get to log in to the app. So the first thing you want to do is open your Play Store. So you can find the Play Store in your app drawer, or you can always search for it. So once you're in the Play Store, let's search for Boom and Crash or Trading Signals. So whichever name that you prefer, you can use it to search there. So let's go with Trading Signals. So once you type Trading Signals or Boom and Crash, then you can hit the search button. In the search results, you have a number of apps that appear, but the one we're looking for is the one written Boom and Crash Trading Signals. You choose it there, and it only weighs in about 5.9 MBs depending on your device, but it shouldn't go beyond 10 MBs, which makes it one of the best in terms of app size. In terms of signals, should be the best. Yeah, so install the app. It takes a few seconds depending on how fast your internet is. The app is installed, you've got the open option. That's the one we're going to click on. Just open the app, wait for it to load. It takes a few seconds and you have your welcome screen. So here on this screen, this is where you find the language. You can choose the language here. You can also choose the desired login method. So it actually has about 5 languages that you can choose from. Let me go with English. So the quickest way to log in into Trading Signals is actually using the Google login. So what happens in Google login is you click on Google login, then you click on sign up with Google. So once you press that button, it will show you the email accounts that are logged in on your device. You don't need to put any information apart from just selecting your device and you'll be logged in. The second method is the email login. Let's go back and select email login. So on the email login, you actually have to input your email and create a password. So you hit on register if it's your first time, enter your details, which is the username, email and password, then click on the register button. So after you're done registering, then you'd be able to log in by entering the same email and password. Then hit the login button and you should be in. So using the email login takes roughly about 2 to 4 minutes to set up, but with the Google login it takes just a few seconds. So whichever method you decide to use is up to you. If you have any other complaints or problems in terms of trying to log in, just contact us via email or Telegram. You can find these buttons within the login screens.